Hi guys, welcome along to the channel. My name's Andy, and in this video I'll be showing you a few different ways that you can push your folding bike. Now this might be useful if you're going to take your folding bike on a train. Maybe you need to take it through the train station or through an airport to get it on an airplane. Now this is how to push a folding bike. Let's go. Now the first and most obvious way to push a folding bike is to have it unfolded like this and hold on to it by the handlebars or the seat and simply push it along. Now I like to hold it by the seat sometimes because it means that I can stand up straight and just walk normally, and other times, especially if I'm pushing it uphill and need to have control of the steering, I'll have both hands on the handlebars and push it like that. Another way to push the folding bike is to have it folded up and have the seat up. Simply put the weight of the bike on the back wheel, push the bike along by the seat like this. The third way to push a folding bike is to push it when it's folded up and push it by the handlebars. Now when the handlebars are extended nice and high and the bike is still folded, you can easily push it along. This is a good way to push the bike because you can have the weight of the bike on both wheels. Now I don't often push the bike by the handlebars with it folded. I prefer to push it by the seat, but that's totally up to you. You can figure out the best way that you like to push your folding bike. Keeping the handlebars or seat extended for pushing the bike while it's folded is especially useful when you're pushing it on and off city transport like trains. You can easily just push the bike as it is and put it in the corner of the train and then easily push it off when you get to your destination. I like to fold the bike just before I get on the train and then unfold it as soon as I get off the train. Just makes it a little easier to push it through the train station, especially if you have a lot of gear on your bike. You can still fold your folding bike if you're carrying a lot of gear, and having the seat or the handlebar extended for pushing makes it super easy to get it on and off public transport. I hope you found these tips useful in this video, and if you want to see more, make sure to check out my other videos on traveling with a folding bike. My name's Andy, you're watching Hobocyclist, and I'll see you in the next episode.